Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Hansen. I'm the music teacher here at Mitchell School. So each week when your students come in, we gather in our big circle, we pass around our percussion instruments, we practice playing some simple rhythms, we practice using our singing voices, our very best singing voices. We move to the beat of the music, we have lots of fun. I love it here, hopefully the kids do too. So we have our ukulele storage here on the side of the wall. You can see I have a bunch of instrument storage under all those curtains, which I love. All the name tags are spread out on the ground. We come in, we gather in our big circle. And I have my piano and all my instruments in the corner that I use to sing with the kids and everything. So if you have any questions about music here at Mitchell School, my email is chansen@kitteryschools.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
Hi parents, I'm Amy Nucci. I am your kiddo's art teacher, and I will be seeing them once a week for 45 minutes at a time, and I'm so excited. Hopefully they're already talking a little bit about it and came home with some artist hands already. We have some great talks about that. I use a lot of props to introduce my concepts and our elements and principles and all those things. Right now every student at Mitchell School is exploring line and the element of line and just how important it is, and we're doing it in so many different ways. You would not necessarily know that we are all studying line. Lots of different things happening in here. We go anywhere from drawing and painting to ceramics. We do lots of printmaking. We're outside a lot, and just kind of encompassing as much as we can each year. And we complete a portfolio by the end of the time in art. So from kindergarten through grade 3, you should have this awesome portfolio that shows the growth and the breadth of the work that we do throughout the year. And it'll come home in one protective folder so that you can have your very own art show at the end of the school year. Right now your kiddos may be talking about Uncle Leo and Larry lines. So this helps us learn that lines have beginnings and ends. And if they eat their own tail, then they become a shape. I'm wearing the lovely primary colors, as you can see. Another big deal. In kindergarten, we have so much fun. So please reach out to me at any time. There's different things that go on throughout the year, different art shows, art clubs, and things like that. So don't hesitate to email or call. Check in anytime. And I really look forward to having another awesome year with your artists. All right, thank you so much.
Good evening, I'm Ms. Berg, and I'll be taking care of your students in the library this year. Every week we'll get a chance to read an awesome story together, learn about different styles of books, and check out some fantastic new books to read at home. We'll be talking about how libraries work and how to figure out which books are the best fits for us. Here's a quick look at our library. And hi. If you have any questions, you can reach me at the school or via email at theberg@kitteryschools.com. Happy readings.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is Mrs. Cook. I am your student's computer lab teacher.